Garlic is an incredible food choice and has long been viewed as a superfood by individuals looking to improve their overall health, due to its potent and unique compounds and health benefits. For decades and even centuries, garlic has been used for its natural medicinal and healing properties. One incredibly easy way to obtain the health benefits of garlic is to consume a mixture of garlic water, which is very simple to make. Perhaps the simplest way to make garlic water is to take 5 to 8 cloves of garlic and add it to 2 to 3 cups of water. Let this mixture infuse for about an hour or even overnight, and then strain into a cup. Another easy way is to juice 2 or 3 cloves of garlic in a juicer, and then add the garlic juice to 1.5 cups of water. You can add 1 teaspoon of organic raw honey if needed for taste. This is a great way to start your morning, as you are not only benefiting from the great levels of nutrition and potent compounds in garlic water, but you are starting your day with good hydration as well. Now, let's discuss some of the incredible health benefits of drinking garlic water regularly. First, garlic water is a nutritional powerhouse that not only contains high levels of nutrition, but as mentioned previously, potent medicinal compounds and properties. Garlic water is a great source of manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, calcium, and thiamine, to name just a few. It is also a natural energy booster, is packed with powerful antioxidants, contains unique sulfur compounds, and is high in the compound allicin. This drink is also very low in calories. Drinking a glass of garlic water each morning is also a great way to improve our overall heart health and reduce the risk factors associated with heart disease. It can also help to reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. The active compounds found in garlic water can lead to a significant improvement in reducing and regulating blood pressure levels. As well, garlic water can help to improve and lower cholesterol levels. This drink can help to lower both total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol. Garlic water is also high in heart-healthy nutrients, such as antioxidants, allicin, vitamin C, and potassium. Garlic water, when consumed regularly, can also help to boost the immune system and help it to work more optimally and efficiently. This is because this powerful drink has tremendous antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties that can eliminate unwanted bacteria and toxins that can compromise our immune system and lead to disease. Garlic water is especially helpful in helping to reduce common cold and flu symptoms, and may even be able to help reduce the risk of chronic disease due to these antibacterial properties, antioxidants, and nutritional levels. Surprising to some, but garlic water is also helpful for improving our overall bone health. Studies have shown that garlic water may be able to help reduce bone loss and help to keep our bones strong and healthy. As well, garlic water contains many bone-healthy nutrients, such as calcium, manganese, and magnesium, which are essential for keeping our bones strong and preventing a loss of bone density. This allows garlic water to reduce unwanted bone ailments, such as osteoporosis. Lastly, drinking a glass of garlic water regularly and consistently can help to detoxify and purify the blood and organs due to its natural detoxification properties. This is often attributed to its high levels of sulfur compounds, which can protect our organs and flush out and eliminate toxins from the body that can compromise our blood. Garlic water is also great for cleansing the body and can provide excellent benefits for our skin due to these properties as well. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.